Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about a hybrid computer. Number 1. Hybrid computer is a computer that has both features of analog and digital computer. Number 2. Hybrid computers are extremely fast. Number 3. Hybrid computers are expensive. Number 4. Hybrid computers are used mainly in specialized applications. Number 5. A popular type of hybrid computer is Microsoft Surface. Number 6. It can solve large and complex equations. Number 7. The first desktop hybrid computing system was the HiCom 250. Number 8. It is used for measure heartbeat. Number 9. Hybrid computers are distinct from hybrid system. Number 10. Nowadays, the importance of a hybrid computer is immense. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.